Clayton County Water Authority is proud to provide quality water and quality services to our community. As part of our commitment to utilizing innovation to provide industry-leading service, we're replacing more than 80,000 water meters across the county with new smart meters. Smart metering technology uses a secure cellular system to send water usage data in nearly real time directly to CCWA and you, the customer, empowering you to know your water flow. That means more precise readings, early leak detection, and better tools to help you manage your water use. Whether you're caring for your family, running a business, or just trying to stay on top of your monthly bill, every drop matters. And now you'll be able to see where it's going. So, what should you expect when it's time for your meter to be upgraded? All residential customers will receive a postcard notifying them about a month before installation. During the week of your meter install, you'll also receive a courtesy reminder at the phone number on your account. Our trusted partner, Utility Metering Solutions, will handle the installation. They'll arrive in vehicles marked with CCWA and UMS logos, wear UMS uniforms, and carry UMS ID badges. You don't need to be home, and UMS won't need to come inside. However, your water meter does need to be accessible. Please make sure all shrubs and plants are pruned back and nothing is parked on top of the meter box. Most installations take about 15 to 30 minutes, and you'll get a door hanger with details once installation is complete. If your water is in use when UMS arrives at your property, they will come back at another time. For commercial and multifamily properties, our team will coordinate with someone on site to minimize disruptions and keep things running smoothly. From Forest Park to Lovejoy, Riverdale to Rex, and every neighborhood in between, we're building a smarter, more efficient water system, 1 meter at a time. Visit ccwa.us/smartmeters for more details.